everybody, welcome back to another video, and in this video I really wanted to discuss this really cool tool by AWS itself known as PartyRock. Yes, that's the name they chose. But it's a great platform in itself, I would say. The reason I really wanted to bring it to the foreground is because we've been doing a lot of stuff within this channel. We've been building chatbots, we've been building OpenAI assistants. We've been leveraging OpenAI APIs to add more capabilities to our chatbots and whatnot. And we've been writing a lot of code for that. So imagine if there's a platform, which PartyRock is that platform, a platform that doesn't let you write any code. It just takes a prompt and it generates everything for you. The kind of user inputs you need, the kind of categories of user inputs you need, and the categories of outputs that you might need to generate. For example, we have a haiku creator right in front of us. For those of you who don't know what it is, it's a Japanese poetic format. So you just provide this particular prompt to your app builder, which says generate a 575 syllable haiku poem and a visual image based upon user input. So it generates this whole thing, which you can sort of play around with, and you can even share it with your employees, within your circle, your friends, whatever. So really cool stuff. So you type in winter and it generates a poem for you, like snowflakes falling down, blanketing the ground in white winter's cold embrace. Wow. And it generated a particular visual for that as well. So for those of you who really want to learn more about it, it's more like a Amazon Bedrock playground. So Amazon Bedrock is a managed service which really helps people like you and me to sort of leverage and use the OpenAI models by leading AI companies, and even the ones that are being developed within Amazon or AWS itself. So really cool stuff. So let's sign in. I really like this. All right, so I'm signed in and now I can start building the application. It really has a set of example applications over here. For example, if you see movie recommendation, it's like a movie guide. This app will recommend a movie based upon your preference, such as genre or language, and chat about the recommendation. So it generated this whole thing like genre, language, favorites, and here you would get the recommendation, and this is your chatbot that you can talk to. So interesting stuff, right? So let's say I need to watch a comedy movie, English, and Owen Wilson. So let's see. So it's working. And here is the list of all the movies that I need. All right, I also have this like chatbot. So I'm gonna ask, what is the IMDb rating for Wedding Crashers? And it's loading the response, and here it is. So really cool stuff. So I don't have to write any code for this. I don't have to really write or explore the Assistant API or any other chatbot, providers. So it's kind of cool. So let's go ahead and build our own. So I want to build a application. Let's just say build a platform that acts as a tour guide for Prague. I need pictures for all the famous places and its history. Build a platform that acts like a tour guide for Prague as a chatbot. I need pictures for all the famous places and history. Perfect. So let's go ahead and generate. All right, so this is our application. So it's named Prague Tour Guide Chatbot. Introduction. This chatbot acts as a virtual tour guide for Prague. Ask questions and I'll provide informations and pictures of the famous sites. Um, hey, I need to know more about Charles Bridge. Let's see. So we have like three sections. We have a user input, we have a chat response. Our chatbot is thinking at the moment for the prompt we actually placed here, and generating as soon as chat response is filled. So this is our image block. And we didn't have to write any code for this. That's the most amazing part. So let's wait. Let's try to copy this and paste over here. Okay. Here are a few key facts about the most famous Charles Bridge in Prague. It was built in the 14th century during the rule of Charles IV. And where's our image? Okay, the image would be generated once the response is complete. And now the image is generating. Oh, pretty nice. Really cool. So I can download the image. I can retry. Let's retry and see if we get some better resolution. It's kind of blurry. But cool stuff, no? Okay, generated like a different version of it. It's a bit more artistic. But great. I mean, just to know that, you have a particular platform that can generate all of this stuff. It's more like a no-code platform. So that's what makes it, relevant in today's generative AI boom in itself. You can also make it public, just like that. And it's done. You can copy the link and share it within your circle. Perfect. And you can also see your applications generated over here. You can delete them or edit them as you need. So cool stuff. Now, if you have any questions, please post them in the comment section. Let me know what you feel about the platform.